Good day. Welcome to Steve's House of Speed. Today we will be fixing an exhaust manifold leak on a Silver Cloud 2 1961 XSC 671. The star of this presentation will be Ralph Cruzon. The editor, producer, film crew, go for etc. is me, Steve. No rights at all are reserved on this video. Use it as you please and as you wish. Copy it, send it to others, free to use it. We do not take any responsibility for the content of this video, and I do apologize ahead of time for any apparent oops, insults, and slanderous comments. So hope things go well. Here is scene 1, take 1, video 1.
So you've got this flange on the exhaust, and when they weld inside there, the flange gets distorted, so you end up with low spots where the gases can blow out. So you probably have to flatten it off, do it by the side of the file, or draw, what we used to call draw filing. So you're just drawing the file across to try and get a decent flat surface. It's now hopefully flattened so that we're beating the blowout blues that we were suffering earlier. So if you have a flange gasket that blows out, it's probably worth checking the flatness of the flange. Hopefully we've managed to lower all of the other part of the flange to get past the low spot there. So we put a new gasket at the manifold. We actually used the thicker gasket to make sure that we don't have a problem again, and we've used Larry DeRocha's magic potion there as exhaust cement. So we'll do a little note as to what this cement is, and hopefully you'll be able to use this trick along the way. So this is acoustic seal exhaust system sealing compound, and we got it at Napa.